Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Sample and hold circuit using op-amp. Design sample as hold circuit using op-amp by name of group members Kiran Abazado, Suraj Maruti Gole, Yogesh Shivaji Saude, Shivam Ashok Uige. Guidance name Gaikwad Preeti, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Diploma, Zeal Polytechnic. Contents: first is a sample and hold, then second application of sample and hold, then third is sample and hold IC. Introduction: in electronics, a sample and hold circuit is an analog device that samples, captures takes the voltage of a continuously varying analog signal and holds, locks, freezes its value at constant level for a specified minimum period of time. Sample and hold circuit are related. Peak detectors are the elementary analog memory device. They are typically used in analog to digital converter to eliminate variation in input signal that can curb the conversion process. Components: operational amplifier, resistor, capacitor, SPST switch, clock source and voltage source. Applications: the applications of sample as hold circuit including the following: sampling oscilloscope. The sampling oscilloscope is a sample type of digital sampling oscilloscope which is used to examine a very fast signal. The next is data distribution system. The data distribution service for real-time system is an objective management group machine-to-machine standard that aims to enable dependable, high-performance, real-time, scalable data exchange using a publish-subscriber pattern. The next is digital voltmeter. Digital voltmeter is used to know the actual voltage of different components. The next is analog signal processing. Analog signal processing is type of signal processing conduct on an continuous analog signal by some analog means. The next is signal constructional filters. In signal processing, a filter is a device or process that remove some unwanted components of the features from a signal. The next is a data conversion. Data conversion is the process of translating data from one format to another format. While the concept itself may seem simple, data conversion is a critical step in the probe of data conversion. This is a circuit diagram of sample and hold circuit using op-amp. Basically, sample and hold circuit are commonly used in analog to digital converter communication circuit, PWM circuit, etc. The circuit shown below is of a sample and hold circuit based on 741 op-amp. And SPST switch, then and 5 passive components. So let's begin to learn in details about creating a sample and hold circuit. So the circuit design for using simulation software. Figure shown sample and hold circuit by using op-amp. Now in this figure, the diagram editing to 3-part input buffer, and second is basic sample and hold, then third is output buffer. Now our basic sample and hold circuit consists of SPST switch and clock source along with capacitor. Here the SPST switch is used a switch and the clock voltage. To the apply SPST switch positive terminal, therefore the clock source voltage is going to control the on or off switch. That means the clock pulse apply the SPST switch is turn on and turn on, and when the clock pulse not apply, the switch get turned off. And depending upon turning on or turning off SPST switch, capacitor get either charge or discharge. Now let's attend working of the circuit. Consists of three different parts. First part is called input buffer A1, which is nothing but voltage follower. The second part is basic sample and hold circuit, and the third part is output buffer, that is a output voltage follower. The first input buffer A1 is used to avoid loading of input source, where is the third output buffer A2 is used to avoid the loading of capacitor. Now when clock source voltage V is applied to the positive terminal of SPST switch, the SPST switch is get turned on. That means V is equal to 1. SPST switch is on, due to which the capacitor is get connected to the input buffer A1, and therefore the input voltage charge and capacitor will charges to the instructional voltage value of input voltage V in. Now in V is equal to 0, and that time the switch get turned off, and therefore the capacitor C is now we disconnected from input buffer from V in. The capacitor cannot discharge from output buffer or op-amp A2, because the op-amp having high impedance. Therefore the capacitor now hold the until charges the next sampling cycle. So this is now to clock voltage V, the control switch opening and close, that means turning on or turning off switch, which charges the capacitor so that it can sample the input value, and turning off switch because in capacitor disconnected from input so that it can hold the value until the specific period of time. So let's see the waveform. Run and simulate. So here you can see this is the sample and this is the hold. Sample and hold, sample and hold. Then the switch is on, then the hold, sample and hold voltage apply. This is the sampling of voltage and this is holding the voltage, sampling and holding voltage. So thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.